Q8 petrol station by Vinden, right on the border before we cross into Germany.
Yeah.
And I know that takes down through Luxembourg a bit before we then pick up, hopefully,
The next
some
bit.
decent roads. Yeah.
Cool. That sounds like a really good plan, doesn't it? Good morning, everyone. It's bright and early. No, actually it's not. We've had a little bit of a lay-in and we've had some breakfast and a little bit of a slow start today compared to yesterday because of the ferry that we needed to get, and we had to be there quite early. Heading into Germany today. Ooh, another country. A little bit of light road work. No motorways, Kingy?
No, not today. Not today. All good fun.
Hopefully. A few little stops. Yeah, up into Nurburgring and Düsseldorf and all kinds of fun stuff. So come along for the ride. Thank you for visiting our channel again, and hope you enjoy the video. Well, hello there, and hopefully you're still with us. A little bit windy up here. Hopefully it's not picking up too much wind with these DJI mics. We are here, if you can't tell, with all the flags. Nurburgring, we are here. And unfortunately, not as what has been advertised, we are not racing the Nurburgring on our GSs.
Not that brave, no.
We've come up here to have a little look around, see what's going on. Nice little stop, because obviously coming out from Luxembourg this morning, hopped along to a little town called Cochem. Plan was to grab a drink there, but instead they was going to give us a ticket, so we hightailed it out of there and headed here for another stop. How many miles roughly then, Kingy?
It's about 110, but not a bit of motorway, back roads, twisty roads.
Yeah.
It's been really good fun.
As you would have seen, if you want to ride twisty roads on lovely tarmac, get yourself out to Germany and where we are on the west side of it. Right, from here we are going to hit some motorways. Yes. And we are heading up to Düsseldorf, and that will be our next stop and where our next hotel is. So carry on the ride with us.
Is it Autobahn? Autobahns?
Yeah, I think so. I think Autobahns.
We're gonna max the bikes out, or
maybe just about 60 mile an hour all the way, I reckon.
Don't tell the wife.
I think we just did. So we shall see you then, if we're not in too much trouble.
Close enough for you?
Doesn't have to be close, it's got a chain. I think it'll be fine.
That wasn't the question. The question was, is it close enough for you?
Yeah, it's close enough.